Hey, welcome to the final lesson of this course. Now, in the previous lessons, I've built all of these sections right here, ending with the contact section. But we also need a footer for our page. And in the footer, I want to place pretty much the same content that I used in this well right here, as well as the traditional copyright information. So right here, I'm going to say footer. I'm going to create a footer tag. I'm going to do an HR to separate things. And then basically, I'm going to copy, let's see, where is it? FAQ, container. Okay. So I'm going to copy this content from here, and I'm going to put it in the footer. So let's see how it looks like. Okay. Now below this, I'm going to do another HR, and below that I want to add some links to Twitter and Facebook. And I'm going to use an UL or a list with a class of list inline. Now this will allow me to display the list items on the same line, and it will contain a list item times 2 with an anchor tag. And in here I'm just going to say Twitter and Facebook. All right, now once this is done, I'm going to create another paragraph and put the traditional copyright information. All right, let's have a look. And that is our complete page. So you saw just how fast it is to create a complete page that's already styled by using Bootstrap. Now, before I finish this course, I just want to make a few tiny changes to how this page looks like on smaller devices. So for that, I'm going to bring up the inspector, and I'm going to start resizing to see exactly what happens at different breakpoints. So the first breakpoint is less than 1200 pixels, which is here. And notice my gallery looks good. My testimonials should be on 3 columns because there's enough room here. And what else? The features. Again, they should maintain their appearance just like they did on the higher breakpoint. Same goes for these. And also for the contact. So let me go down even further to 992 pixels. That's another breakpoint right there. See? So right here, there's another change. And my testimonials are placed correctly on different rows because having them on 3 separate columns here is not really a good idea. Let's see, features. These could still be organized in 2 columns. Same goes for the smaller features. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back to our code, to our testimonials. And I'm going to change, instead of LG, I'm going to put MD, which basically means from medium-sized screens upwards, they're going to be organized in columns. Yeah, just like that. And on small devices, which is the breakpoint I'm on right now, they are stacking. Okay, cool. So testimonials, it's all figured out. Even on smaller devices, they look good. Now, the features. The features should maintain their columns even on small devices. So let's go features, call LG. I'm going to replace the LG with SM, which is small. Refresh, and there it is. Now the images are resized. This is where the IMG responsive class kicks in. Okay, and also keep the same column structure on these features. So instead of LG here, I'm going to do SM. Okay, just like that. So now these stay in columns at small device sizes, medium device sizes, which is this, and large. Okay, what else? Gallery looks good. Contact looks good as it should be. Okay, so going down even further, this is the last breakpoint. Notice that the navigation is now a drop down. Let's see, testimonials, features. The features should now be displayed like this. Notice the inline form is now on two different rows, their elements. Okay. And that's basically it for the responsive part. Now I just realized I forgot something. I said in the beginning I'm going to add Scrollspy to this menu here, so that when I scroll to a specific section, the corresponding menu item will become active. So let's do that real quick. The way to do that is to go to body, because this is what you want to track for scrolling. And you're going to say data spy equals scroll. So what's the event that you want to track? It's the scroll. And then what's the navigation that you want to target for the Scrollspy event? And that's going to be data target equals main navbar. It's this one right here. So now if I refresh and I scroll to a specific section, these links will lit up. Gallery, FAQ, and contact. So if you click on them, it's going to go to the correct sections. And that's it basically. Now, as I said, using Bootstrap to build this page is really awesome, but you got to take it one step further from here. You can experiment with different fonts, different colors. You can tweak different styles to your liking, because Bootstrap basically offers you the skeleton to build on. Okay, that was the last lesson. Thank you for watching.